Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to allow Discord to access your photos on your iPhone. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get right to it. First, we need to open the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down until you find the section for all of your apps. Click into that. Now, scroll down the list until you find the Discord app. Found it? Awesome, click into that. At the very top, you should see an option that says Photos. Click into that. Here, you can choose the level of access you want to give Discord. You have none, limited access, or full access. For this guide, we're going to choose full access. A pop-up menu will appear. Just click on Allow Full Access. That's it. The next time you use Discord, you'll have full access to your photo library. Now, let's go over a second method for doing this. Again, go to the Settings application on your iPhone. This time, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and click on it. Then, scroll down a little bit until you find Photos, and click on that. Now if you scroll down here, you'll see a list of all the apps that are requesting access to your photo library. Find Discord in the list. Tap on Discord. Again, you'll see the options for none, limited access, or full access. Choose full access. And one last time, in the pop-up menu, click on Allow Full Access. And that's it. Either of these methods will give Discord full access to your photos. So the next time you use Discord, you'll have full access to your photos library. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, it really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below in the comments section. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.